there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. And for my oldies but goodies, welcome back. So today's video is a 2-week update of me using the Mielle hair strengthening oil, which consists of biotin as well. So strengthening this natural hair and trying to get this natural hair growing in the right direction. So this is what you see right now. This here is my hair. I've had these spring twists in for about 2 or 3 weeks, but about a week after installing these spring twists, I started using the Mielle hair oil that you see here, or something to that effect. I may got a little mixed up, but this is the growth that I've gotten since having these spring twists. In 2 weeks, you guys, this is the new growth. And y'all, I have to tell you guys that I am so excited from the results that I've gotten thus far from using this product. Now, like I mentioned in my initial video, there is a scent. This product consists of rosemary and mint, and I have to be honest, the rosemary is quite strong. It overpowers the mint, but after about a day or so, the scent subsides and you do not smell it anymore. But you guys, it's worth it thus far to me. So let's just move right along and let me just show you guys the application of this product. So it's super duper easy. Basically, I use this little top. I call it a medicine top. I'm not sure what the appropriate name of the top on this bottle, but I just kind of suck me some out of the bottle using the top, as you guys can see, and then I just go into different areas throughout my scalp and I apply the product and I massage it in really well. I give her a deep body massage, you feel me? That's what I do to her. Her is this natural hair, this scalp. So I go in really good and make sure that I massage it, or the product, throughout my scalp really well. I try to make sure that I focus on those areas that are taking just a little bit more time to regrow. Like I mentioned to you guys before, I had locks. I combed them out. Then I went to a tapered haircut. Now I'm growing that out. And so my hair has been through a lot within a short span of time. However, I have been growing my hair out for about 1.5 years, give or take. So that's what really encouraged a lot of these videos of trying different things to help aid me in growing my natural hair back full and thick, because your girl miss her. I'm ready to wear an afro puff, y'all. I just really miss my natural hair. So getting it all back on track, getting it to a decent length is my goal, and getting her happy, healthy, strong is my goal. So yeah, you guys, this product here I truly like, and it works well for protective styles because it makes it easy for you to get down there to your scalp and get the product directly to the scalp. So that's a plus for me. The price isn't half bad. Although the bottle is a 2 floral ounce, a little bit truly does go a long way. So it's not like you got to go in and use a lot. It's worth it. I believe I paid $9.99 for it, but you can't find it online for $8.99. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I'll follow up with you guys in about 2 or 3 more weeks. Smooches.